Ayan. Okay, so this is an application of differential equations. So we will apply solutions of first-order differential equations in mixture applications. So what are mixture problems? So by definition, the amount of substance at any instant of time is equal to the rate at which the solution is going in minus the rate at which it is going out. So ano bang ibig sabihin nun? Okay, so let's say we have a container. Ayan. So let's say we have a container and the container has a liquid and a substance. Ayan. So ang sabi dito, yung rate, the amount of substance at any instant time. So we let X as the amount of substance at any time. Okay. So equal daw siya doon sa amount, yung rate na pagpasok niya. So ito yung in at saka yung rate na paglabas niya. So out. Ayan. So syempre, yung substance natin na pumapasok, so meron siyang rate at yung rate natin is denoted by Q. So meron tayong Q in, at the same time may concentration yung ating substance na pumapasok doon sa tank. So let's call that C sub 1. So yung C sub 1 natin, so that is the concentration of the liquid or the solution entering our tank, and then yung Q natin is the rate. So ito yung entering. Sa out naman natin, we also have the rate at which the solution leaves the tank, at meron din naman siyang concentration. O syempre ito is continuously being mixed, o ito nagbabago yung concentration niya kasi merong pumapasok at merong lumalabas. Okay, so by definition, ayan, ito yung formula ang susundan natin. Sabi kasi ang rate daw ng pagbari ng concentration doon sa yung rate ng pagbago ng amount of substance doon sa tank is proportional doon sa yung rate at saka yung concentration na papasok minus yung palabas. So that's equal to yan. Equal to C in times Q in minus C out times Q out. Okay, at yung palabas natin, ang concentration natin, so this is the concentration. Yung concentration natin, C, ay equal siya doon sa amount of substance times volume. At yung volume natin is equal siya sa, that's a final volume. Yung final volume natin is initial volume plus yung rate ng pagpasok minus rate paglabas times T. So ito yung formula na kailangan natin tandaan in solving differential equation application ng mixture problem. So ito lang ang gagawin natin, and then kailangan natin malaman kung ano yung concentration ng palabas and papasok, and then also the rate ng papasok at saka ng palabas. And then we will solve this using first order differential equation. Okay? Ayan. So para mas ma-explain natin, so let's have a first example. Okay. So ito yung ating first example. Ayan. Nababasa niyo naman, class? Okay. So a tank contains 8 liters of water in which is dissolved 32 chemical. As containing 2 liters of chemical flows into the tank at a rate of 4 liters per minute. And the well-stirred mixture flows out at a rate of 2 liters per minute. So determine the amount of chemical in the tank after 20 minutes. And B, what is the concentration of chemical in choppy ba? Lahat ba medyo choppy? Sige. Malayo ba ako sa mic? Ayan, how about that one? Sandali. Hello. How about that one? Hello? Hello? Sandali. Lilipat ako ng ano. Okay, so let's continue. So first is, para mas madali natin siyang intindihin, so let's draw an illustration for the tank. Ayun ang sumulat nito. Ayan. So based on the problem, the tank contains 8 liters of water. So our tank contains, the volume is 8 liters of water. Okay, so that's the volume. And 32 grams of chemical is dissolved to it. So initially, so meron tayong 32 grams ng chemical. Okay. A solution containing 2 grams per liter of chemicals flows into the tank. So that means, so meron tayong concentration na C in 2 grams per liter. At ang rate niya ay, yung Q1 natin is 4 liters per minute. Okay, so and then this concentration and rate enters the tank, and then this is well stirred, and then yung tubig na yung chemical na lumalabas ay at a flows out at the rate of 2 liters per minute. So yung ating Q out ay 2 liters per minute. Okay, at wala tayong, ayan. So determine the amount of chemical in the tank after 20 minutes. So letter A, so determine A, so what is the amount of chemical in the tank after 20 minutes? And B, what's the concentration of the chemical in the tank? So what is the concentration after 20 minutes? So what's the concentration after 20 minutes? Okay, so let's just apply our formula. So our formula is dx over dt is equal to C in Qi minus Co Vo. Okay, so what's our Ci? So Ci is 2 grams per liter, and then yung Qi natin ay 4 liters per minute. Yung Qo natin ay 2 liters per minute. At ang Vo natin ay, so that will be the volume. Ay, sorry, hindi volume. Concentration noong lumalabas na liquid doon sa tank natin. So, CO natin. Ang CO natin, syempre, will be X over V. Syempre, kung ano yung amount ng substance nung nasa loob at saka yung volume niya, yun yung ating magiging concentration. Okay? But V is equal to VO plus, asan yung lecture natin? So, based ito sa formula natin, VO, V is equal to VO plus QI, QO times T. Okay? So, we'll apply that. So, that's equal to QI minus QO times T. QI minus QO times T. So therefore, what's our V? So what's our initial amount? So initial amount natin ay, initial volume ay 8. Plus QI, so that's 4. Minus QO natin is 2. Times T. Or therefore, V is equal to 8 plus 2T. Okay, 8 plus 2T. Question? Okay, so i-apply lang natin yung formula and then we will just substitute. Ang nagiging ano lang dito, lagi yung C sub O. Yung C sub O natin kasi, so that is X over V. Okay, so that's X over V. Wherein V is the volume. So final volume is equal to V initial plus the rate in minus rate out times T. So in natin is 4, And then out natin is 2. And then initial volume natin ay 8 liters. Okay. And then we'll substitute all 4 to our given equation. So therefore, dx over dt is equal to, yung CI natin, that's 2. Hindi ko na susulat yung unit, no? Kasi maka-cancel ito, so that's a grams per minute. So that's equal to 2 times 4 minus 2 times yung CO natin ay x over 8 plus 2t. Okay? May questions sa equation natin? Wala. Okay. Okay, then let's simplify. And then, okay, so let's simplify. So that would be dx over dt is equal to 8 minus 2x over 8 plus 2t. Okay, so let's factor out 2 dito. So dx over dt is equal to 8 minus 2x all over 2 times 4 plus t. So cancel natin yon. So dx over dt is equal to 8 minus x over 4 plus t. Plus yun, plus. Okay. So ang gagawin lang yan ay, okay, mag-isip kayo ng method. Mag-isip kayo ng method na pwede natin gamitin in solving differential equations. Okay, class. Pero ako na magsasabi. So normally ang ginagamit natin sa mixture problems, it's either separable or linear. Okay, it's either separable or linear. But in this case, this becomes a linear equation. So it's linear in x. Okay? So ang gagawin lang natin is ita-transpose natin ito. Okay? So ita-transpose lang natin yung x over 4 plus t. So dx over dt plus x over 4 plus t is equal to 8. Okay? So ano yung ating p of x? P of t. Okay, ang p of t natin ay 1 over 4 plus t. At yung q of t natin ay 8. Okay? Okay, now let's get our integrating factor. So the integrating factor is equal to e raised to the integral of 1 over 4 plus t times dt. Okay, so the integrating factor then is equal to e times the ln of 4 plus t. Cancel that. So our integrating factor is 4 plus t. Okay, question? Okay, now let's solve the general equation natin yan ay, di ba nakalala nyo? Mu of t times x is equal to the integral of mu of t times q of t dt plus c. Okay, so let's just apply it. So that will be 4 plus t times x is equal to the integral of 4 plus t times 8 dt plus c. Okay, so let's just get the integral of this. So 4 plus tx is equal to 8 times 4t plus 8t squared over 2 plus c. Tama ba ako? Pinactor out ko yon, and then in-integrate ko yung 4, so that's 40, and then that's 80 squared. Unless you want to make it chain rule, ayaw ko lang siyang gawin chain rule. Gusto nyo chain rule. Or pwede naman na 4 plus t x is equal to 8 times t plus 4 squared over 2. Ayan. Kasi ang integral, pag dinerive natin to, ang sagot ay dt. Ayan. So whichever you want, it's okay. Plus C. So ano mas gusto nyo? Parang mas gusto ko yata to. Mas gusto ko to. So ito na lang susundan natin. Ito na lang. Ayan. So we can cancel that. 8. So this will become 4. So we'll have x times t plus 4 is equal to, pinagbaliktad ko lang. So 4 times t plus 4 squared plus c. Yes. Okay. And then, okay, kunin natin siya in terms of x. So divide natin yung buo na, so let's divide the whole equation by t plus 4. So x is equal to 4 times t plus 4 plus c times t plus 4 raised to negative 1. So this will be our general equation. So this is our general equation or solution. Ayan. So may question? Okay, wala. Okay, let us go back to our problem. Ayan. So lagi nating iisipin yan is, say, kukunin natin ngayon yung particular solution. So natin lagi natin na t is equal to 0, what is the value of x? So at t is equal to 0, ano yung value ng x natin? So ang x natin ay 32 grams. So let's apply that to our equation. So 32 is equal to 4 times 0 plus 4 plus c times 0 plus 4. Okay. Okay. So this is 32 is equal to 16 plus, it is raised to negative 1. C over 4. Ayan. So that's 16 is equal to C over 4. So C is 64. Yeah, 64. Okay, so therefore, x is equal to 4 times t plus 4 plus 64 over t plus 4. So this is our formula for this problem. So yan yung ating formula para sa problem na yan. Okay? Saka pa lang natin nun makukuha yung letter A. Okay, so letter A, what is x when t is equal to 20 minutes? Okay, so apply lang natin. So x is equal to 4 times 20 plus 4 plus 64 over 20 plus 4. So what is the value of x? Tama ba ako? 90, ayan. Okay, so, 98.67 grams. So, this is for letter A. Ayan. Okay? Letter A. Next, B. Ang tanong ay, may tanong, nakalimutan ko. Concentration of the tank. So, what is the concentration when T is equal to 20 minutes? Okay. Okay, so what's the concentration after 20 minutes? Okay, formula natin. Formula natin ay C is equal to X over V. So nakuha na natin yung X. Okay, ang problema natin yung V. So ano yung V natin? Ano yung volume? Ayan. Okay, volume. Will our volume be still 8 liters? Okay, so, iba class, meron tayong kinuha dito. Ayan. Okay, diba? So, ang ano natin dito ay the volume at 20 minutes will be equal to 8 plus 2 times 20. So, volume is 8 plus 2 times 20. 48 liters. Ayan. So, volume is 48 liters. So, therefore, ayan. So, therefore, concentration is 98.67 grams all over 48 liters. So concentration is 2.06 grams per liter. Yeah. Okay, may question? Wala? Okay, wala kayong question. So let's proceed to our next example. Wala kayong question. Okay, so our next example is a tank whose volume is 40 liters initially contains 20 liters of water. So if we have a tank, ayan, so yung total volume niya, total volume is 40 liters. But initially, half lang meron siya. So, meron siyang volume na 20 VO na 20 liters. Okay, so that's stated in the problem. A solution containing 10 grams water lang. Water lang pala to. Purely water. Okay? A solution containing 10 grams per liter of salt is pumped into the tank at a rate of 4 liters per minute. So, yung concentration in natin ay 10 grams per liter at yung Q in natin ay 2 liters per minute. Okay? Ayan. So initially, ang tangke natin na ang capacity 40 liters, meron siyang 20 liters of water lang. And then a solution na may concentration na 10 grams per liter na salt is entering the tank at a rate of 4 liters per minute. Ayan. And the well-stirred mixture flows out at a rate of 2 liters per minute. So yung ating QO is 2 liters per minute. Parang may mali ako sinulat. So it should be 4, not 2. Tama ba? Yan. Okay, next question is how much salt is in the tank just before the solution overflows? Okay, so, class, ang unang tanong ay mag-overflow ba yung ating tank? So, paano natin malalaman na mag-overflow? Mag-overflow siya kung syempre, yung rate ng pumapasok ay mas mataas compared dun sa rate na lumalabas. So, pwede siyang mag-overflow doon sa time na yon. So, that means as possible. Ang tanong lang ay, ilan tank, gaano, ano yun? Ano yung salt? So, we're looking for X. So, requirement natin ay X when the tank overflows. So, mamaya na natin kunin yan. So, una natin, formula natin. So, dx over dt is equal to QI-CI minus QO-CO. Okay? So, dx over dt will be equal to, what's our QI? QI natin ay 4 times 10 minus 2 times x over, so yung formula natin is V is equal to VO plus QI minus QO times T. Ayan. So, what's our V initial? So, V initial natin ay 20 plus QI natin is 4 minus 2 times T. Ayan. Minus 2 times T. So, therefore, we can write as dx over dt is equal to 40 minus 2x over 20 plus 2t. Okay, so let's simplify. So dx over dt is equal to 40 minus 2x all over, factor out 2, 2 times 10 plus t. So we can cancel that. Okay, so para ang equation na lang natin ay dx over dt is equal to 40 minus x over 10 plus t. Okay. So that will be our differential equation. Okay, again, so this will be a linear equation. So let's transpose that. So dx over dt plus x over 10 plus t. So it's equal to 40. So therefore, our p of t is equal to 1 over 10 plus t. And then yung q of t natin ay 40. So the integrating factor then is equal to e raised to the integral of 1 over 10 plus t dt. So the integrating factor is equal to e raised to ln of 10 plus t. Cancel natin yan. So the integrating factor is equal to 10 plus t. Okay, now let's derive our solution. So our solution will be kasi formula natin, mu of t times x is equal to the integral of mu of t q of t dt plus c. So what's our mu of t? So that's 10 plus t times x is equal to 10, the integral of 10 plus t times 40 dt plus c. Okay. So 10 plus t times x is equal to Okay, so ipa-power formula ulit natin. So 40 times 10 plus t squared over 2 plus c. Power rule, chain rule. Ayan. Okay. Or this is 10 plus t. X is equal to 20 times 10 plus t squared plus c. And then divide this by 10 plus t. So, makancel yan. So, therefore, x is equal to 20 times 10 plus t plus c over 10 plus t. Ayan. T yun. T. Okay. So, that will be our general solution. So, let's proceed to our specific solution. Okay. So, ang condition natin ay at t is equal to 0, what's the value of x? Okay, let me show the problem again. At t is equal to 0, what's the amount of substance in the tank? So that will be the question. At time is equal to 0, what's the amount of substance or the amount of salt in the tank? Unlike our first example, it was given naman. Okay, pero dito, what do you think? At time is equal to 0, what is x? So what is the value or what is the amount of substance in the tank? Okay, so the answer is 0. Okay, why 0? 0 because our tank only contains pure water. So initially, wala siyang salt, wala siyang substance sa iba, kundi tubig lang. So therefore, x will be equal to 0. Okay, so that's why it is 0. Because it's pure water. So let me say it's pure water. Because X is the amount of substance in the tank. So initially, wala tayong substance dun sa tank because it's purely water. Nagets niyo ba? Why X is 0? Okay, okay, sige. Ano susunod na? Okay, let's substitute. So that will be 0 is equal to 20 times 10 plus 0 plus C over 10 plus 0. Okay. So this will be 0 is equal to 200 plus C over 10. Tama ba ako? Ayan. So C is equal to negative 2,000. Transpose nyo, magiging negative 200, cross multiply 10, so that will be negative 2,000. So therefore, x is equal to 20 times 10 plus t minus 2,000 over 10 plus t. Okay, so ito na yung isang problem natin. So ang pinakatanong natin ay, ano daw yung amount ng substance? So nakuha na natin yung formula, kulang na lang is yung time. So hindi naman siya given yung time. So ang tank daw mag-overflows. So kailangan natin malaman kung kailan mag-overflow yung tank. Okay? Kailan mag-overflow yung tank? So yung time para mag-overflow yung tank. Okay, so natin kukunin yung formula. Okay, so kailangan kunin natin yung formula dito. So laging dito kinukuha pag mag-overflow yung tank. Okay, dito yung time. That V is equal to VO plus QI minus QO times T. What's ano yung volume para mag-overflow siya. So, syempre, yung ating total volume. So, that's 40 is equal to, initial volume niya is 20 plus yung rate niya, int is 4 minus 2 times t. So, this is 20 is equal to 2t. So, t is equal to 10 minutes. So, after 10 minutes, kaya ba computation ko? Okay, after 10 minutes, mag-overflow na yung tank. So, yun yung i-apply natin sa ating formula. So, siya yung i-apply natin dito. So, therefore, x is equal to 20 times 10 plus 10 minus 2,000 over 10 plus 10. So, what is the amount of substance? Okay. 300. Grams ba? Grams. Hindi makita. So, so this 300 grams. Parang sandali. Parang ganun yun. Ganun yun kadami. Sa bagay, 10 grams per liter naman pala siya. Tapos pumapasok ay 4 liters per minute. So, yeah, pwede. Possible. So, that's like 4 times 10. Times 10. 400. Okay, pwede na. Ayan. So, the answer is 300 grams. May question? Wala kayong question? Wala kayong question? We'll proceed to our next example. Wala. Okay, so let's proceed to our next example. Ayan. Can you try to, ano muna siya? Ayan. So, a tank has pure water flowing into it at 10 liters per minute. The contents of the tank are kept thoroughly mixed. And the contents flow out at 10 liters per minute. Okay, so mag-drawing muna ako. So, we have a tank. Okay, and then water, pure water enters to it at a rate of 10 liters per minute. And the contents of the tank are kept thoroughly mixed, and the contents flow out at 10 liters per minute. So, yung Q natin is 10 liters per minute. So, initially, the tank contains 10 kilograms of salt in 100 liters of water. So, initially, ang volume ng tank natin ay 100 liters of water and a salt of 10 kilograms. Ang question is, how much salt will there be in the tank after 30 minutes? So, required is what is x when t is equal to 30 minutes? What's the value of x? Ayan. So, same lang naman. Formula natin ay dx over dt is equal to CI/QI minus CO/QO. Ayan. Meron tayong issue lang dito. Ano ang CI natin? Okay, what is C initial? So, ang C initial natin, class, is sabi dito, it's pure water yung pumapasok doon. So, that means CI natin will be equal to 0. Kasi wala namang concentration yung tubig. It's pure water. So, therefore, Ci is 0. Okay? C initial is 0. So therefore, dx over dt is equal to 0 times 10 minus qi is 10 times x over, okay, so what's our v? So remember, that's a v is equal to vo plus qi minus qo times t. So ano ang initial v natin? So initial v natin ay 100 plus ano yung qi natin? So that's 10 minus 10 times t. Ayan. But this one is 0. Ayan, 0. Okay, so therefore, dx over dt, but that is also 0, is equal to negative 10x over 100. Or that is just dx over dt is equal to negative x over 10. Ayan. Mas madali to. So, ano ang method na gagawin natin? So, hindi na natin kailangan mag-linear. So, ito ay purely separable lang. So, yung cross-multiply lang natin. So, therefore, paano ba to? Dx over dt, dx over x is equal to negative t over 10. Then, integrate both sides. So, we'll have ln of x is equal to negative 1 over 10 times t squared over 2 plus c. Or, so this will be ln of x is equal to negative 1 t squared over 20. Tama ba ako? Ay, sorry. Mali. dt pala to. So, mali ako ng integration. dt lang pala yun. Ay, so, it should only be, so it should only be ln of x is equal to negative 1 over 10t plus c. Tama ba? Cross-multiply ko lang kasi itong dalawa. Ayan. Okay. So, tanggalin natin pagkaka-logarithm nito. So, we'll apply exponential on both sides. So, we'll have x is equal to e raised to negative 1 over 10t plus c. Or x is equal to e raised to negative 1 over 10t times e raised to c. And this one is general solution. Okay? Para lang siyang growth and decay. Okay? So after we found our general solution, so let's apply the first condition. When t is equal to 0, what's the value of x? So let's go back to the problem. Okay, at t is equal to 0, what is the amount of substance in the tank? So it is 10 kilograms. Okay, so it's 10 kilograms. If it's your pure water, 0, but dito is 10 kilograms. So that is 10 kilograms. So therefore, 10 is equal to ce raised to negative 1 over 10 raised times 0. Okay, so this is 1. So c is equal to 10. So therefore, our particular solution is x is equal to 10 times e raised to negative 1 over 10. Okay, so therefore, Ano ba yung problem natin? Okay, what is x? What is x when t is equal to 30 minutes? Ayan. So, x is equal to 10 times e raised to negative 1 over 10 times 30. So, the value of x is 0.5 kilograms. Okay, so may question ba dito sa example natin? Okay, meron nagsabi sa akin, okay class, so nagkamali ako dito. This is not V, so it should be Q. Nagkamali lang ako ng sulat. Pero ito naman ang sulat ko. This is Q of sub O. So not V sub O. Okay, so that's on the first our first example. Okay. Wala kang question? Okay, kung wala kang question, we'll have another one. May buburay lang ako. Sobra lang. So this is our last example for the day. Ayan. So a tank contains 1,500 liters of water and 20 kilograms of dissolved salt. So kung meron tayong tank, ang volume niya initially is 1,500 liters at yung amount niya of salt is 20 kilograms. So fresh water is entering the tank at 5 liters per minute. So again, so water is entering the tank. So that means its initial concentration is 0 and the rate is 15 liters per minute. Okay, and then the solution drains at a rate of 10 liters per minute. So the solution drains for 10 liters per minute. So how much salt is in the tank after 10 minutes? So um, what is x when t is equal to 10 minutes? Okay, class, I only have 3 minutes to finish this, so I will not do it. So I will let you continue this and then submit it doon sa canvas natin. Okay? Kamukha lang naman siya nung